Hi, everyone. During the period leading up to the Civil War, slaves in the South and abolitionists from up north managed to create a sophisticated network of communication, secret routes, and safe houses that enabled an estimated 100,000 slaves to escape to freedom in the North, Canada, and Nova Scotia during the period from 1800 to 1865. This complicated network, which we now refer to as the Underground Railroad, needed a way to spread their messages and reach the enslaved population. One way they did this was by hiding messages in songs. Slaves would sing while they were out sweating the hours away in the fields, picking the cotton, the rice, the indigo. An example of one such song is Swing Low, Sweet Chariot. Swing low meant come get me in the South. It was a message to the underground that someone on the property was looking to escape and they needed a chaperone to come help them with their journey. Another example is a song called Follow the Drinking Gourd. The drinking gourd was another name for the Big Dipper. The Big Dipper happens to point to the North Star. So if you looked for the gourd, you'd know your way north and you'd know which way to travel. My favorite, Wade in the Water, says, wade in the water, children, God's gonna trouble the water. Bloodhounds can't track your scent if you're walking in a river or a brook, so it was a message to go in the water and walk there as much as you could. There are so many more examples of these that I hope you might look for on your own. Thank you.